I'm Jesse Vaughn. Welcome to Level 7 Motorsports Open House.
All those guys over there stopped when this truck came rolling in. Everybody say hey.
Hey!
It's what's left of the party. It's a late night crew.
9 p.m.
Level 7 open house. Good morning, guys. It's after the Level 7 open house. You can see they're loading up Wes Coursey's truck on the trailer now, but about to take mud and go to Southern Illinois Truck Showdown. We'll see you there.
I'm Brett. Welcome to the LMC Truck Southern Illinois Truck Showdown.
All right, we have 3 more names to draw out for our registration.
Oh, nice little bit of storage in there and a fuel cell. here seeing all sorts of trucks I have never seen before. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna keep walking, show you some stuff, but lots of trucks I've never seen before. See you, man. Press record and just hold it right there on us, okay? We get to give a UBT pick, this awesome little dinger bat that's got the Southern Illinois Truck Showdown logo on it and our UBT logo. And me and the kids and Barry have been walking around and just looking at all you guys' trucks. We stumbled upon Jeremy's 1950 AD Suburban, and we're gonna give you the UBT pick for it.
Thank you. I mean, that's impressive. I didn't think it was that nice, but thank you so much.
It's not even really about nice, it's about unique. It's about, well, people on this channel know that we like patina. We've got a great patina look on this thing. Can you tell us a little bit about how you got the Verb and a little bit of history on it?
Well, actually, it took two to make one. This is actually a panel and a Suburban. I bought a Suburban, it was rusted out really bad, not a panel. So I cut that section out, glasses, put that in. And of course it's got a Mustang suspension, 2-link rear, full air ride.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Small block?
Small block Chevy, yeah, about 410 horse.
Very cool.
Yeah.
What you got for a trans?
$700 Ford.
Very cool. So you can like travel.
Oh yeah. I mean, 70 miles an hour, run about 2,300 RPMs.
Very cool. Are you from Illinois?
I am. Raleigh, Illinois.
Awesome. Well, we love your Suburban.
Oh, well, thank you.
Your panel Verb.
Yes.
Thanks for talking on
thank you
camera,
so much,
man.
yeah.
And hope you have a great day.
Thanks.
Very, very cool.
Thank you.
So this truck used to be like a canary yellow, and Street Machinery did the patina on it. Kind of see some of the yellow here.
Oh yeah.
Nice little
just
touch.
barely coming through, but look.
Nice little straight six.
Look at the patina on this thing. Jerome out there just killing it over at Street Machinery. We're at the Southern Illinois Truck Showdown in Marion, Illinois, and this is awesome. Tons of trucks, tons of great people, lots of great vendors, cool location. So if you're not here, you want to be here next year. Southern Illinois Truck Showdown. See if we can get a little burn out in mud.